Hello everyone. Now let us start a new topic of this lesson that is very simple about plane mirror. You have seen plane mirror at your home most frequently. Okay? So what do you see in this plane mirror? Think what about the plane mirror? So I write reflection by plane mirror. Very simple. Suppose this is the plane mirror. Is it okay? Left side, your left side and my left side is polishing surface and right side is called rough surface. Is it okay? Now this is the axis on which you are here. We call it AB. Now your name is AB. Now what do you see? You see what? Your image, right? What are the characteristics of your image? It is just like this. See, this is the axis, imaginary. Now suppose the first ray parallel to this axis get reflected back, but it seems to be in the inner side, and your image you can see in the same way. We name it A dash, B dash. Maybe one light ray move in this direction and get reflected in this direction. Here also in this way. Okay, see. Now what are the characteristics of the image formed in the plane mirror? See, the first characteristics what? Object height. Object means you, yourself. Object height and image height are same. You can say AB equals to A dash B dash for this diagram only. Object height and image height are same. Means your height and your image height inside the mirror are same. Obviously, it is clear cut. The second property is what? Angle of incident and angle of reflection are always same, because it is a plane mirror. For us it is smooth surface, so regular reflection takes place. So now you can write theta I equal to theta R. Angle of incident equals to angle of reflection. Now you know it, so I directly write in the symbolical language. Another property, whatever you see from this mirror, suppose the mirror is mm dash, mirror means m. So from the mirror, the distance from this mirror to this means object distance, and distance from the mirror to the image, that is called image distance. Both are equal. Am I right? From the mirror, your distance, whatever, suppose 2 meters, and your image distance is also inside the mirror, the same 2 meters. That means I can write object distance, that is equals to image distance. One MCQ were asked in board exam about this, that a boy standing in front of the mirror 2 meters away from the mirror, then what is the distance between the boy and the image? Don't say 2 meters. Boy is 2 meters away from the plane mirror. What is the distance between boy and his image? Total 4 meters. 2 meters from mirror. Inside the mirror again 2 meters of image. So total distance between boy and the image is 2 plus 2, 4 meters. Okay. So you have to read the question carefully in the board exam or any exam. You have to read it carefully and then give answer. So here the third characteristic is what? Object distance and image distance are equal. And the last but not the least characteristic is what? Think about it. When you raise your right hand, can you say that image raise is left hand? No, never. It seems to be left. Actually, right hand image also raise is right hand. But for us, we are opposite to it. And that's why for us, we think that it is his left hand. So, in scientific language, it is said that images are, or images, laterally inverted. You know lateral means? What do you mean by lateral? The word lateral means side. In maths we said equilateral triangle, equal side triangle. Lateral means side. So here sidewise, left to right, right to left. Okay? Image is laterally inverted. So 4 characteristics about plane mirror. Very simple and very easy. Okay? Now we are going to learn about the spherical mirror. Okay?